So I'm going to replace the in-cabin air filter in the 4Runner. You might be wondering, an air filter is just an air filter, but what I found out is that they definitely are not. So we live in an area where there is smoke in the air, there's some wildfires occasionally, and so I wanted an in-cabin filter that is able to filter out that smoke. And what I found is that it's more than just filtering out dust and pollens and grasses and that kind of thing. In order to get wood smoke, you need to get down to 0.3 to 0.4 microns. So what I found is a HEPA filter, pretty inexpensive, that goes down to 0.3 microns. And we're going to try it out and then install it and see how it goes. So this is the Bosch Premium Cabin Air Filter. And it's a HEPA filter, 99.97 filtration efficiency at 0.3 microns. And you can see here, it says that smoke at the 0.3. Now this says tobacco smoke, but you know, wood fire, that kind of smoke. But here you have pollen, spores, mold, all up in here in the larger micron size. In order to get smoke out, you really need that smaller micron size. And you should be able to see there's a tab here and a tab here. Basically, you take that down, and there's a tab here and a tab here. You can pull that out. Now, this is the Toyota specific OEM air filter, and you can tell that because it has the arrow pointing up. So the OEM filter has the arrow pointing up, which means that side up, but in reality the airflow goes down that way. So when you get a non-OEM air filter and the airflow here is going down, so you want it so this arrow is actually pointing down. So we're going to take this out. Okay, looks like that needed replacing. Oh my gosh. We're gonna clean that out. I should have replaced that a long time ago. That's ridiculous. Fits right in, nice. Again, the arrow is going down, airflow going down. Then I replace this. And that's it, as simple as that. Okay, so you can see how easy that actually was, and look how filthy that is. I can't believe that. I mean, it looks chewed away, almost like there's a mouse or something in there. Here's what I replaced it with. It fit really well. HEPA filter, decent value, good price. I'll put the link in the description below, so check it out. You know, the air filter is a really easy thing to replace. It's easy to forget it also. Replace it, it's super easy to do, and it keeps the air quality inside your cabin nice and fresh. Go ahead and check it out. I put it in the description below. If you like this video, go ahead and share, subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Thanks a lot for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks, bye.